Hi guys, it's Lewis from Lewis 24 Fan. Today we are going to be shooting this cap gun today, and make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, and comment down below saying I subscribe and turn on notifications, and make sure you like the video. Let's try and get like 30 likes on the video today. Let's try and get 30 likes on this video today. Yeah, and yeah, see how it goes. Let's try it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yep. Oh, by the way, guys, this is ages 8 and up as well, and I'm 9. So yeah, so I'm just 1 year old. Let's try it again. Oh dear. Triggers. Okay. That was a bit of a fail. Also, if you can see, when I press the button. Look. God, you have to press it down quite hard as well. When you press the trigger down, the smoke comes out. I was out of ammo. Wait, is it? I don't know if it is. Yep, that's empty. Yeah, this one's. Yeah, I know how to do this now. Got this from Fine Buys as well. I got this cap gun from Fine Buys. It's a bit like Frankie Fine Buys. Okay. Let's try it again. When you shoot out of it, look, nothing comes out. Look, if I try and shoot the camera, nothing comes out. So it's really powerful, this gun as well. I'm definitely going to knock my neighbours. Yeah, I'm out here. That really powerful, this gun as well. Okay, yep, that's out. It really does hurt your fingers as well. You need to like press it down really hard. And this, legit. Oh, there's Yep. Wait. Yep. Need to try it again. You have to wait until it clicks. There we go. And this is my silencer as well. So if you want to make it a little bit more quieter, then you can just put it in there. But actually, yeah, let's try and put this in. There we go. Looks like a silenced pistol. Fortnite. If you guys play Fortnite, this will look like a silenced pistol. Okay, that's 3. Oh, by the way, nothing comes out of it as well. You can like literally just go like with it. Definitely, my neighbours might shout at me. No, I'm not even joking. They might do as well. Oh yeah, they're thinking that. Why you do? Oh, you can just. By the way, if you don't have to like put it, you can like put the thing in and then put it in the gun. That's the logical way. Oh, dang it, fell out. Let's get this out. Okay. You have to wait until that clicks. It's like really hard to do it. Ready? Listen. There we go. Like that. 5. There's smoke coming out. Look at the smoke. Look at the smoke on it. It's like a steam train. Oh dear. Yep, okay. The camera fell over. That was not very good. Yep, so. Where's my bullet? Oh, it's over there. Yeah, this is what we should not do it in the wind. It's already shot. It's very windy out there. No. Why is it so windy? There we go. Just leave it down there so it doesn't like get things. There we go. Last time I did a YouTube video, I was poorly. But yeah, now I'm like a lot better now. That happened like 2 weeks ago. I've not made a video in like 2 weeks or something. Ready? Okay, yeah, this is hard. Fell out. See guys, you have to like get it like really. You have to get it like really good. You have to get it like pretty good. Like what I'm gonna do now. Yeah, it's kind of hard. As you can see, you have to like put it in. See? Yeah, you have to get it until it's like. Yeah, you have to get it until it's like completely flat. So yeah, when you see it like that, and then you have to wait until it clicks and then it works. Then you're ready to shoot. By the way, this shake a little bit. Listen, watch. Oh no, it doesn't. Got the smoke. I hurt my fingers. What the? I broke it. Ow. Yeah, I've definitely broken it. Why is the trigger's broken? Oh, yeah, the trigger was like broken for a second. I was like, oh, I've broken it. It's like really powerful watch. They get it like a close up ammo. Is that out of ammo? Yeah, it's out of ammo. My fingers are literally there. How many have I shot so far? 1, 2, 3. How many empty clips? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've shot 5. There's only like 10 left. There's only about like 10 left now. Need to be careful because I'm actually on some stairs as well. Yeah, so I really do need to be careful because obviously, like you can see, like there's like that's all my things here, and I'm like a row of stairs. So yeah, I do need to be careful, guys. I really do need to be careful. And there's my gun. The silencer on the front of it. I really do need to be careful, or else I'll die. Oh dear. Wait, why is it not clicking? Oh yeah, it came out. Oh dear. Oh dear. That's not good. Yeah. As you can obviously, yeah, as you can obviously see, like, Like, look at that. Where's the one that's been shot? Ah, here it is. It's this one here. This one. This one. So yeah, there's only like 7 left. Who did any hungry fun to? There we go. Way up high. Go for it. Wait, I'm gonna stand down here. Stand down here. Go for it. Is it out already? How's it out already? Wait, let's see. Yep, it's definitely out of ammo. Is it out? Surely that's surely that's got to be, finished. Okay. Sadly, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. So, I hope you enjoyed the video, mate. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash that like button. That'll be greatly appreciated. And I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye. And I promise, guys, it won't be 2 months. I mean, 2. I promise, guys, it won't be. I promise. P.S. It won't be 2 weeks. Okay. See you guys. Bye.